Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Java sort problem on HackerRank. Let's start it. Here, they mention that you are given a list of student information. Okay, ID, first name, and CGPA. Your task is to rearrange them according to their CGPA in decreasing order. If two students have the same CGPA, then arrange them according to their first name in alphabetical order. If those two students also have same name, then order them according to their ID. No two students have the same ID. Okay, okay. So what if two students have same ID? Let me check it. Okay. They are stating that there are no two students that have same ID. So same ID will be our last comparison within this problem. So here they mention that these are the input data. They have given ID, name, and CGPA. So basically we have to print this list or the name of list in uh, first of all we have to compare which is the greatest CGPA, then less, and if suppose there are two same CGPA occurred, then we have to sort them according to their name. And if there also we got a same name, then we have to sort with their in ascending order with their IDs, right? Let me check again. Same first name, okay. Then order them according to the ID. Order them, okay. So basically we have to first we have to do sort in a decreasing order first in first level, and then if it is equal, then we have to do ascending, right? So how we are going to solve this, because this is a class, student class, and here they created a list of student class, and we have to then they put all the data within the list, and now we have to return this student list in a sorted manner as they expected. So here there is two new concepts that we are going to use here. The first one is we are we we are going to use collections dot sort then the list name, or the list name student list. Okay, so here we provided a student list to this sort function. Okay, why they are okay, understood. So yeah, this is the first statement that we are going to use, collections dot sort student list, the name of the list. And to able to work this statement, we have to do some changes here in the class declaration. So first here as they mentioned the class name is student, here we have to implement a comparable uh, interface that provides us to compare method, and that method is going to use is helpful to sort this thing in descending and ascending. So yeah, let's first implement that comparable method, and here we specify which uh, student. Okay, and here it the comparable interface provides at uh, from a method declaration, that is compare to, and here it take object as an argument. So let's decide it as a student s. Now let's first return 0 to avoid this mark, and let's see everything's right here. Yes, every error got resolved here. Now we are going to uh, implement this or code this function here. So basically, what's our requirement? We have to return uh, a list that that should be in a decreasing order of their CGPA. So here we can here the thing is that if we have to return some value here. So suppose if there are two objects which are going to sort, which are going to compare in the sort method. So if a class, uh, if one object and second object, if if returns -1 by this compare to method, then the first element is smaller and the second element is a bigger. So similarly, if we have to reverse this, we have to first include the second element and then the first element. So let me explain you by coding it. So here we are going to return uh, s dot, what is the name of okay, CGPA minus and uh, this dot CGPA. Okay, so this statement, yeah, I know why this is in red, because it is double, and comparing my separating both of them will result in double a double variable, right? So we have to do, so let's see what I am telling you, that suppose this dot CGPA is a first element and the second element is a s dot CGPA. So what will this return? It will return either -1 or 0 or a +1. Okay, so if suppose it return -1, then basically the collection dot sort method is going to consider that this dot CGPA is smaller than this, right? And it will place this first, this before than this object in the list. Similarly, if it provides 0, then there will be no comparison or uh, uh, no priority there. So whichever whichever the CGPA we put for forth is kind of, it's okay for the collection dot sort method. Similarly, if it gives this equation gives 1, then this the second element will put first and then this will put here. So how this works, right? Suppose this is 4 and -5. So uh, basically this sorry, this give us -1, and as I told you that the 4 will place before the fifth, and this is what we want. Similarly, if it is a 4 and this is a 4, then it doesn't matter which element we put forth, it is equal, right? And similarly, if it is fifth and it is 5 and it is 4, so it will return 1, and if it return 1, then the second element will place before of the first element. So this is how it works. So yeah, so but we don't want in ascending order, we want in descending order. So we have to reverse this logic. So here we will do s and here we will do this, and it will work automatically in a right way. So yeah, reverse the list. So here they mentioned that first we have to compare these two, then uh, first of all let's check if both are equal or not. So if this dot cgpa is equal to s dot cgpa cgpa. Okay, so now we are going to check in the second level, which is this one, its name. Here also, if we found this dot for the name f name is equal to this dot. No, we have to write like this: name dot equals, and here s dot f name. Okay, if both are equal, then we have to compare uh, with IDs, and here also we just going to return. Let me check what the, yeah, ID is integer. So here we can just simply return it as return this dot what is the ID only. Okay, ID minus s dot id. Okay, so yeah, this is the code for all three, and now we have to also put the else part if it is equal, and if the name also equals. If the name is not equal, then we simply going to return uh, this dot f name dot compare to s dot f name. So whatever the, if we want ascending, then we have to put second name uh, in this bracket. If we want ascending, then we need to check the second element in the first. This is the way. And now here also, if it is not equal, then we have to uh, okay, if this sum is less than 0, then it is probably minus, right? uh, -1, so we will return -1. If else, if okay, else if this particular equation it is greater than okay, 0 is there, it's greater than 0, then we simply going to return 1, and at last, if not the both case, we return 0. But I guess this will never going to happen because it will catch here only. So yeah, let's try to run this code. If we run okay, yeah, we code successfully, write code, and let's try to submit this. Yeah, all the test cases run successfully. So this is how we solve our uh, Java sort problem. Hope you like this video. I will meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.